If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
Free package. So, re-reveal na natin guys. Let's go! So, pumunta pala kaming Hong Kong. It's been 2 weeks yata kami dun. And, enjoy naman. Yung weather, parang sa Pilipinas lang. Pangit talaga pumunta ng Hong Kong ng ganitong panahon. Dahil maulan. Tapos, mainit. Di mo alam kung uulan. Di mo alam kung mainit yung panahon. Ayan, na-open muna natin isa-isa. Later na to. Ito muna. First box. I-open natin. So, tapos sobrang init. Punta rin kami China and Macau. Buti na lang sa nung namamasyal kami, hindi sobrang pangit nung, pero laging umuulan. Pero nasasaktuhan yung pagtigil ng ulan sa paglabas namin. Yun yung Uy. First pack. Reveal. First, Mega Dragonite PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 10. Mew PSA 10. Mega Dragonite again PSA 9. Ascended Heroes PSA 9. Ascended Heroes PSA 10. Then this one PSA 9, and last the Ace PSA 10. So kasi nung hindi na-grade, kasi merong hindi na-grade. Let's see, baka nandito. Wait lang. 43. Nandito guys. So, medyo maganda eh. Let's freaking go. May isang na hindi na-grade. And sabi dito, authentic Cardass Pikachu Prism. So, nagdududa sila kung totoo ba do o hindi. Then, Mega Gengar PSA 10. Mega Lucha PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 10. Mega Charizard Y PSA 10. Then this one PSA 9. Rockets Mewtwo PSA 10 and Mega Charizard PSA 9. So puro PSA 9. The last box, open na natin. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-reveal nung madaming umuwi nun. As in, sobrang dami din umuwi last 2 weeks. Nawala ako dito. Sobrang dami. As in, napakadami talaga. Yun nga lang, walang reveal. Kasi walang magbibideo. Wala rin magpipicture. So, ayun. ito pa lang yung first reveal ko since vacation. Alright. Okay. First up, Mega Gardevoir PSA 8. Next, Mega Gardevoir PSA 9. Mega Ascended Heroes Pikachu PSA 10 Japanese. Calling Mary PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 9. Bellibolt PSA 9. Mega Dragonite PSA 8. Boa PSA 10. Next, Reiju PSA 10. Next, Mega Charizard Japanese PSA 10. Next, Gear 5 Luffy PSA 10. Next, Zorojuro PSA 10. Ito, PSA 10 Onami. Yung pinto. Yung isa, PSA 10 Divine Departure. Next one, Magikarp PSA 8. Boa PSA 10. Ayan. Dawn PSA 9. Skeledirge PSA 8. Mega Charizard PSA 8. And Mega Dragonite PSA 9. So ito yata yung half ng 43. Next, sabi na ito yung half. Next one, Charizard Groudon PSA 9. 8 pala. Inferno X PSA 10. Victini PSA 8. Next one, Mega Charizard PSA 7. Walang yan. Luffy Sabo PSA 10. Then this one, Luffy, another Divine Departure. Zekrom. Ito, Arceus. Tapos Skytree. Watrel. Matas Bozelis. Tapos itong si Zorojuro. Si Halucha 122 Charizard. Zoro Alternate Art. Refractor VJ Edge Comb. Another one. Another one. And another one. So in 43. And last 20 guys. Umabot din tayo 10 minutes. Luffy PSA 10 9. PSA 10. PSA 10 Sabo. Luffy. Puro Luffy to ah. PSA 10. PSA 10. PSA 9. 7-Eleven, PSA 10. Gum Gum, PSA 10. PSA 10. Nami, PSA 9. Another Nami, PSA 10. Boa, PSA 10. PSA 10. PSA 9. PSA 9. Victini, PSA 9. Hydreigon, PSA 9. 10 pala, sorry. Brilliant, PSA 10. And Mewtwo, PSA 10. Reshiram, Zekrom, and Rayquaza through PSA 10. So, yun lang guys. Sobrang dami pala nito. I didn't expect. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Abangan nyo yung mga travel vlogs namin guys. Hindi ko lang na-edit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. See you until next time. Peace!